Welcome everybody. I am Mohammad Faisal Khan, Assistant Teacher English, Pallavi, Mazul Islam Model High School. Today I have come once again to discuss on question tag. This item has been taken from the book of English Grammar and Composition of class 9 and 10. Read the sentences of the following dialogue. Hello Shimon, you seem too busy, don't you? You aren't seen in the playground, are you? I am really busy, aren't I? This is time for planting trees, isn't it? I have decided to plant saplings on 2 acres of land. That is a very nice idea. Please tell me how to plant trees, will you? The underlined words of the above sentences are tag questions because the speaker asks the question in favor of his statement. Tag questions are phrases in the form of short questions that are put at the end of a sentence. Tag questions are usually used in conversations. Through a tag question, the speaker wants to have an answer in support of the statement. Robbie is a good boy, isn't he? You can speak French, can't you? He has gone, hasn't he? You will have to do this, won't you? Rakib would like to go there, wouldn't he? In affirmative sentences, the question tag is made by repeating the auxiliary in interrogative form in the negative, expecting the answer yes. In negative sentences, the question tag is formed by repeating the auxiliary in interrogative form in the affirmative, expecting the answer no. For example, Raju is not a good student, is he? Maya can't speak Hindi, can't she? You need not come, need you? They will not go, will they? The captain did not agree to this, did he? They haven't any house, have they? When there is no auxiliary, the question tag is formed by the use of the verb to do in the proper form: do, does, did, don't, doesn't, etc. For example, they went to Khulna, didn't they? We play football, don't we? He speaks English well, doesn't he? The boy does not play, does he? You do not like tea, do you? Father did not come home yesterday, did he? Pair notes. The subject of the question tag must be proper pronoun, never a noun. Number B. The negative interrogative form of the auxiliary is always used in the contracted form. The auxiliary verbs used in tag question is called operators. These operators are am, is, are, was, were, will, shall, can, could, may, might, must, has, have, had, do, did, ought, dare, need, etc. The tag form of auxiliary verbs are aren't, isn't, wasn't, weren't, won't, shan't, can't, couldn't, meant, mightn't, mustn't, hasn't, haven't, hadn't, don't, didn't, oughtn't, daren't, needn't. If there are two auxiliaries in the verb, only the first one is used in the formation of the question tag. For example, you should have done this, shouldn't you? For everyone and everybody is subjects of the main clause. The subject of the question tag is normally they. For example, everybody can't be clever, can they? Everyone seemed to be happy, didn't they? The tag form everything must be singular. For example, everything looked beautiful, didn't it? Everything has gone wrong today, hasn't it? The tag for imperative sentences usually begin with will. For example, please ask the boys to come in, will you? Kindly do me a favor, will you? Write down your name, will you? For positive request or command, the tag can be either positive or negative. For example, close the door, will you or won't you? Please lend me some money, will you or won't you? But for negative requests or commands, the tag can only be positive. For example, don't go there, will you? Please don't make noise, will you? If let is used in imperative sentence and express proposal, shall we is used as tag. For example, let's do the work, shall we? Let's go out for a walk, shall we? There are some exceptions, though hardly, seldom, a few, a little, scarcely, seem to look affirmative, but they express negative sense. For example, we hardly visit our house, does he? Hardly visits our house, does he? A barking dog seldom bites, does it? I have a few friends, have I? There is a little water in the glass, is there? She scarcely takes tea, does she? Now, individual work. Complete the following sentences with question tag. 1. You like honey. Number 2. The fan is not working. Number 3. They will go home. Number 4. I am writing a letter. Number 5. He has a problem. Now match your answer with me. You like honey, don't you? The fan is not working, is it? They will go home, won't they? I am writing a letter, aren't I? He has a problem, hasn't he? Now homework. Complete the following sentences with question tag. Number A. I am an SSC examinee. Number 2. My expectation is getting A+. Number 3. Some of my classmates became addicted to using mobile phone. Number 4. They could not pass the test exam. Number 5. Everybody hates them for this reason. That's all for today. Thank you so much to join with me. See you next time. Bye.